In this video, I am going to show you how to open HSBC bank account online. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to research account options. So explore the various types of accounts HSBC offers to find one that fits your need. Now visit the HSBC website using your web browser. Now look for the section on the website related to opening a new account, so it may be labeled as open an account or similar. Now select the type of account you want to open, such as a savings account or checking account. Now click on the apply now or open account button to begin the application process. So simply fill out the online application form with your personal details, including your name, address, date of birth, and contact information. Also, HSBC may require you to verify your identity by providing documents such as your driver's license, passport, or other government issued IDs. Now choose any additional features or services you want to include with your account, such as overdraft protection or online banking. Now carefully read and review the terms and conditions associated with the account before proceeding, and simply submit your application. So once you've reviewed, simply submit your application. Now wait for the approval. So this typically takes a few days, and once your account is approved, you'll need to fund it. So you can do this by transferring money from another bank account, depositing a check, or setting up a direct deposit. Now set up your online banking to manage your account, receive your debit card in the mall if applicable, and download the HSBC mobile app for convenient account management on the go. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.